Hey everyone, welcome to SaaS Based Pro. Do you know a small change like switching your IP address can fix network issues and boost your control over Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to get it done quickly. Okay, right click on your Wi-Fi or the internet you're using on the icon, and from there click on the option Network and Internet Settings. Your settings app will open to a specific section. Now, as I'm using Wi-Fi, click the Properties icon, the label that is saying Properties, click on it. Scroll down and here you will see my IP address and the gateway of my IP address, IPv4 and the DNS server. Here is all the necessary information I needed are here. You can see all your IP information here. There is also another method to see it. Click on the search bar and type CMD to open the command prompt and click on Run as Administrator. If any kind of thing appears, just click Yes, and in this window type ipconfig, all in small letter. Now hit Enter. Your PC will take some time to load all the informations, and here as I'm using Wi-Fi, in the wireless LAN adapter section you will see all the information, the IP address and everything that is needed to know about the information. Okay, now let's go and see how we can change it. Click on the search bar and type View Network Settings. This thing will appear and click on it to open. It will go to a control panel where all your networks are showing up. And as I'm using Wi-Fi, I will select it first, then right click on it. From there, select Properties. Now, click the IP Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. A new small window will appear. From here, click on Use the following IP address. Now you have to give your IP address here, the subnet mask here, and the default gateway here. After completing everything, you have to also fill up these things, these two also, the preferred DNS service and alternate DNS server. Okay, when you are done with this, just click on OK and just save it, and your IP network will be changed. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to SaaS Based Pro. See you in the next video. Bye.